Pulse Innovations welcomes you to this demonstration of the GeyserGuard Enterprise Insurance Dashboard, a revolutionary platform that's transforming how insurance companies manage geyser-related claims and achieve an unprecedented return on investment. GeyserGuard is a combination of revolutionary, fully patented hardware and state-of-the-art, enterprise-grade software. While our patented technology represents a major breakthrough for the insurance industry, its true value lies in the quality of information presented to insurers and in the insights delivered directly to their screens. For this reason, our software meets the highest possible standards, where insurance executives can instantly visualize the financial impact of GeyserGuard across their portfolio. GeyserGuard allows an insurer to shift from reactive repairs to predictive maintenance. GeyserGuard addresses the root causes of geyser failure, corrosion, and switching malfunction, reducing insurance claims by up to 85% while extending geyser lifespan by years. GeyserGuard is of such value that it is likely to be mandated as a policy condition. The traditional approach treats geyser failure as an insurable event, something you cover when it happens. GeyserGuard looks into the future, knows when the failure will occur, and flips that model. GeyserGuard prevents the event from happening in the first place. Here's what makes GeyserGuard unique. It's such a win for both parties, you as the insurer and your client, the homeowner. You can realistically mandate it to be fitted in order for a geyser to be covered under a homeowner policy. Firstly, from your perspective as the insurer, apart from all its other features, GeyserGuard's greatest benefit to you is the prevention of excessive costs due to water damage from burst geysers, so you can realistically reduce geyser-related claims by up to 85%. That's not a 10% or 20% improvement, that's transformational risk reduction. Secondly, you get predictive maintenance data that makes your underwriting incredibly accurate. You're no longer guessing which properties are high risk. You know. You know because GeyserGuard is monitoring the life of the sacrificial anode in real time. Thirdly, your loss ratios improve dramatically, which impacts everything from your reinsurance costs to your profit margins. And lastly, you can offer policy-linked premium discounts as a competitive advantage. In a commoditized market, a statement by you like, "We include GeyserGuard monitoring," becomes a powerful differentiator. Now, let's look at it from the homeowner's perspective. Firstly, they avoid insurance excess charges entirely when their geyser fails. Given a typical excess payment of 2,500 Rand and the cost of only 1,800 Rand for GeyserGuard, this makes perfect financial sense. Secondly, they avoid the nightmare of flooding damage, ruined ceilings, carpets, furniture, and the weeks of repair work and inconvenience. Thirdly, their geyser lasts longer because problems are detected and fixed early, not discovered catastrophically. They qualify for lower insurance premiums because they're provably lower risk. This mutual benefit is why making GeyserGuard mandatory is not only feasible, it's a no-brainer, a phrase used by the actuary of one of South Africa's leading insurance company. Everybody knows that prevention is better than cure, and any forward-thinking insurer will recognize that preventing claims beats paying them every single time. Now here's something every plumber knows but most homeowners don't. Every geyser has a sacrificial anode, a metal rod inside the tank that corrodes instead of the tank itself. It's designed to protect the geyser from rust and failure. Industry best practice says this anode should be inspected regularly and should be replaced when it reaches 50% remaining life. But here's the problem, it almost never happens. Homeowners don't know the anode exists and consequently never change it. From 50% life, the geyser starts rusting and eventually bursts. This is where GeyserGuard's patented technology changes everything. We monitor the sacrificial anode's condition in real time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The moment it reaches the critical replacement threshold, the system automatically sends both an email and an SMS alert to the homeowner and the insurance company. No guessing. No waiting for a catastrophic failure. Just early warning that gives you time to schedule a simple, inexpensive maintenance visit that prevents a 50,000 Rand claim. That's how we achieve the 85% reduction in geyser-related claims. We catch the problem before it becomes a disaster. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how our comprehensive dashboard delivers measurable claims reduction real-time analytics, and complete portfolio visibility. The system uses secure authentication with role-based access control, so different team members see exactly what they need, from executives viewing high-level ROI to claims assessors managing daily operations. And here we are, the main dashboard interface. Notice immediately how clean and professional this is. Everything is organized into 12 comprehensive modules, each designed to give insurance companies complete control over their GeyserGuard portfolio. Let me give you a quick orientation. Across the top, you have 12 main modules. Dashboard for real-time overview. Insurers to manage insurance company relationships. Customers and their contact information. Policies for lifecycle management. Claims processing and tracking. User management with role-based access. Analytics for business intelligence. Operations for team performance. Financial management. This is where the magic happens. GeyserGuard for device monitoring. Audit trails for compliance. And admin for system configuration. But before we dive deep, let me show you what matters most to every insurance executive. Here's where GeyserGuard proves its value in real dollars and cents. The ROI calculator. ROI isn't theoretical, it's mathematical, and our ROI calculator shows you exactly what GeyserGuard means for your bottom line. The default view is the subscription model, which is similar to the way vehicle tracking is structured, where the customer pays to have the device insured, and you, as the insurer, pay the very affordable amount of 50 Rand per month subscription for our software. Look at these default results, immediately visible at the top. Combined annual savings of over 12 million Rand. Annual subscription costs of 5.4 million Rand, a 5-year net present value of nearly 13 million Rand. A payback period of just 6 months, and a 15 percentage point improvement in loss ratio. Now these aren't just random numbers, they are acquired from nationwide averages and can be tailored to your insurance company's actual numbers. Watch what happens when I customize this for your portfolio. Let's say you insure 15,000 households instead of 10,000. I simply change this number here, and watch, the calculator updates instantly. Your annual savings just jumped to over 18 million Rand. This is real-time financial modeling. Every parameter here is customizable. Claim rates are based on your historical data. Actual geyser and water damage costs from your experience. Your specific device, installation, and operational costs. Custom adoption rates for year-by-year rollout. The system takes all these inputs and calculates a complete 5-year financial projection with year-by-year breakdown. Look at this. Year 1. Initial investment with early returns. Year 2. Approaching break-even. Year 3, 4, 5. Pure profit and claims reduction. This is real-time financial modeling. What would take an actuary hours to build in Excel, you're seeing update live as you type. Here's an important strategic decision point. Some executive teams look at these numbers and say, this ROI is too good to leave optional. Let's mandate GeyserGuard for all policies and pay for it ourselves. That's a valid strategy. The trade-off is higher upfront capital investment to buy devices and installations, which is offset by faster time to value because you can mandate immediate deployment. On the other hand, board approval for policy changes is required. Typically 6 months, but with 100% adoption, there is no waiting for customer opt-in, and typical large claims from excessive water damage can be eliminated. To model this scenario, click the Insurance Pays Model button. The calculator will show you the CapEx requirement, revised payback period, and 5-year NPV for the self-funded approach. Yes, it is a very different cash flow profile. Buy potentially faster claim savings are assured. Whether you choose subscription or insurance pays, the calculator gives you the year-by-year breakdown. And here's the best part. You can export all of this to Microsoft Excel for your board presentations, CFO reviews, or actuarial analysis. One click, and you have a professional financial model to share with stakeholders. This calculator alone justifies why GeyserGuard has been called a no-brainer by some of our leading insurers who have in the vicinity of 1 million clients. Because when you can show an executive exactly how they'll save 35 million rand over 5 years from only 10,000 clients, they don't ask if they should deploy GeyserGuard. They ask, how soon can we start? Now let me show you the analytics that help you track and prove that ROI. The analytics dashboard gives you 5 comprehensive views. Let me show you the overview first. At a glance, you can see total policies, 3,247 active. Total premium revenue, 245 million rand. Claims paid, 8.2 million rand. And most importantly, loss ratio at just 33.6%. Now watch these interactive charts. This trend line shows revenue versus claims over time. See how revenue is growing while claims stay controlled? That's GeyserGuard at work. And here's the loss ratio trend, steadily decreasing as more units come online. You can drill into policies by type. See claims broken down by type. Notice geyser bursts and water damage are the largest categories. These are exactly what GeyserGuard prevents. The analytics are comprehensive, but what I really want to show you is how this translates to day-to-day operations. The operations dashboard gives your team real-time visibility into daily activities. You can see 23 claims currently in the processing queue. Average processing time of just 4.2 days. 88.6% approval rate. Customer satisfaction at 4.6 out of 5. But here's where it gets really powerful. Priority alerts notify your team immediately about critical issues. Red alerts for high-value claims needing approval. Yellow warnings for upcoming renewals. Blue info notifications for new applications. Everything is color-coded and prioritized, so your team knows exactly where to focus. You can even track individual team performance. Who's processing the most claims? Who has the best approval rates? Who's delivering the best customer service? This level of operational visibility helps you optimize your entire claims operation. Beyond the ROI calculator, the financial module includes 4 comprehensive report types. Monthly revenue reports showing premium income, investment income, with comparison to previous periods. Claims analysis, with detailed breakdown by type and financial impact. Expense tracking against budget with variance analysis. And complete profit and loss statements. Each report includes professional charts, tables, and export functionality. So let me bring this together. What you've just seen is not just a monitoring system, it's a complete enterprise platform that proves its value with real-time ROI calculations. Tracks performance with comprehensive analytics. Optimizes operations with team and workflow management. Demonstrates results with professional reporting. Every insurance company that sees this dashboard asks the same question. How soon can we get started? Because the business case is crystal clear. With documented 85% claims reduction, 2-year payback, and a minimum of 35 million rand in 5-year NPV. Furthermore, this dashboard makes that case impossible to ignore. To make this even more impressive, for those executives on the move, GeyserGuard even has this dashboard available on a mobile application. If you'd like to see a personalized ROI calculation for your portfolio or schedule a live demo with your team, contact PowerPulse Innovations today. Email admin@powerpulseinnovations.co.za or visit our website powerpulseinnovations.co.za, where you can see details on the live alert monitoring of the GeyserGuard button, as well as some of the other revolutionary products as developed by PowerPulse Innovations. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing you how GeyserGuard can transform your geyser claims management. This is Tyrone from PowerPulse Innovations. Have a great day.